Hey, this is Tony Cook, and this is What's in the Box. Rapido Trains, FA1. And this actually, although the box does say American Locomotive Company, this is, I believe, a Montreal Locomotive Works prototype. This is the Canadian Pacific FA1. DCC sound, ESU Loc sound is included, and Mo power, capacitors included. Slipcase to protect the cardboard box. You remember when locomotives used to come in regular boxes? Everybody does these fantastic boxes, and I love them. Operator manual. Does Rapido do like the best literature stickers? I think that's new. I don't think I've seen that sticker before. Oh, there's a very 70s retro-y. I'll say 70s. Cool stuff, cool stuff. But the guide is included in the box, of course. We do have... Ooh, I always end up bugging Jason Sharon and Jordan Smith saying, what is this? Where does all this go? But there are the extra parts, or detail parts, or alternative parts, or alternate parts, and then encased in clear plastic. And boy, this is an awesome paint scheme. I don't think I really appreciated this maroon and gray until those heritage units came out. And then suddenly I became a fan of this scheme. So, you know, I grew up with the red CP rail and the current Canadian Pacific. I'm now a fan of this as well. Beautiful underbody detail. I know they've done FAs before. I believe FA2s maybe it is. This is FA1s for the first time. This one I'm going to pack up and send to Kevin J. Holland, the editor of Passenger Train Journal, and my buddy on all things Canadian. He's going to review this for Model Railroad News. I've got an AB set of Union Pacific units that I did some research on that I'll be reviewing as well. So you've got 2 reviews coming up in Model Railroad News for these HO scale FA1s. And wow, look at the nice interior there. Separate wipers and the neat green inside and black seats. And you can see through these grills. Tremendous looking model. Very, very cool. But there you go. That's what's in the box today, a Canadian Pacific FA1 in HO scale from Rapido Trains. Thanks for watching.